Hey guys, this is Vasant here, and in this video I'm going to talk about Marky. Yes, its lifetime deal is back again, and Appsumo named it as the tool of the year for social media marketing here. Along with the Marky, we have also the Pixax, Letterly, and Reach Inbox. These lifetime deals also back again. So if you have missed any of these deals for the first time, this is the last chance to get it while 2024 is ending. So now let me get started with this deal. Right now it is available starting from the $79, and all you need to just enter your branded website URL on this platform, and after that, using your URL or identify your brand voice, it is going to start generating the topics content for you, which you can instantly schedule or publish to all of your social media website here. So within the just 5 minutes you can just create the 30 days content in this platform. So let's test it out how this platform work out. All you need to just enter out your website URL, and after that it is going to identify your brand logo, your description, voice. Right now you can see it start working, like understanding my business, determining the what is my target audience, identifying what are the topics that it can create or generate the post around, and how it can optimize its scheduling on my social media. So it can take around the 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, everything is done here. So let me click on the improve post quality, and now you will be amazed. See, this is the brand logo automatically fetched here. We have the business name, we have the voice. I can also change the my brand color. Right now it is the like kind of the teal, so I want to make it orange. Yeah, this way looks good. Now let's go to the next, and it is going to identify the core values, niches, audience, and the objective and the pain points for my brand. Okay, and this is the topics, call to actions, or the post in language in which it is going to generate the content for me. So you can customize or change all this stuff that you are seeing right now on the screen. Let's click on the next, and here's the best part. It's also give me the themes for the different kind of the stuff, like the for the influencer kind of the post. This is the theme it is going to use for the fonts. It is here for the memes. This is the post it is going to use. I want to also generate the kind of the stuff for the this kind of stuff like bubbles kind. Okay, then we have also the fresh pop, classic. So there are tons of themes available for different kind of the content or the images it is going to start generating for me. Let's click on the next, and now it is asking me how did I hear about this platform. Okay, I got it from the social media. Let's finish this one, and now it will start generating content and the post for me. So the post will be the combination of the images, the content context, the hashtags, all this stuff that is particularly with a single click you can schedule to your social media platform. So it is taking a little bit time to generating the content here. Okay, you can see view your post. So once all the posts are generated, I can see here on the post section. Okay, let me click on the next. This is the basically giving you the walkthrough of its features available here. So let me close this one, and right now posts are start generating. So again, let's wait a little bit till we have the post here. So let me click here on the generate post. So here are the posts it has generated for me. So right now you can see this is based on the meme theme we have selected. Let me select or scroll below. We have this again a meme post here. We have this one that is the face pop-up. This is again brand pop-up. So based on the different themes we have selected while configuring the tool here, this is getting me or generated me some of the posts. So right now let me open any of these posts. So let me open this one, the first one here, and you can see this is the caption. We have the some content here, and you can see there's also this AI function available. With the help of, I can also redefine this content here with the more emojis. I want to create more carousels out of this content. So this one looks more okay. This is not carousel, sorry, I just read here. This is more casual. If I want to turn this content into the more formal, or I want to make it a lengthy one, so using these features I can just customize the content with the AI it has generated me. Okay, so I can make it more short and lengthy, formal, or the casual here. So after that, once everything is done, what I can do, I can also design or edit this image here. So let me click here on the edit design and see what are the features we have to design this one. So I can just change this text here. I can change the image. So let me see, I will go to the images, If I go to here, I have to search from the stock images. Then we have the elements here, we have the backgrounds layers here, we have also the some other layers. Okay, this is text. Okay, basically it is also showing me all the text or all the layers here. Okay, then we have this size. I want to resize this. Like right now it's on the square format. If I want to make it something like this one, yeah, it's also in the story format here. So if I see, yeah, so that's how I just turned this post from square to the story mode. So that's the thing, I can also do it. So there's also one more feature available, that is the change to video. So let's see how these things work out. If I change to the video, yeah, I can add the different things, I can make it animate. So basically this is not that kind of the full-fledged video editing or the animation. Simply you are going to turn in the basic videos. Once everything is done, click on the save. Then after that your post is saved and now it is ready to schedule on your social media content. So let me show you how you can schedule it with this single click for your all of the social media. Okay, so right now this is the post and here you can find out the button. So if you click here on this schedule, it is going to be scheduled option. Here you can see it is marked as the schedule. So let me go to this section and here. Okay, so make sure before scheduling the post you have to connect your social media account. That's why it is popping up this notification to me. So let me connect, click here on and see what are the social connectivity options available. So we have the Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, personal or company page, we have the TikTok, we have the Pinterest, and there's also the Google My Business available. So this is the really unique connectivity option available that most of the social media marketing tools don't offer. So right now this tool is also, or this feature is also available, so I'm really amazed. Okay, so if you have the more than one brand, you can also add them here, or single click you can change it using here. So this is the thing. So this is the dashboard, this is the post, and this is topics. So basically you can see this is all the topics based on the its AI is going to be generate the content for you in the future. If you want to add more topics or import more topics, you can do it with the single click here. Then we have the businesses. Basically if you want to add the branding for your business with the different headshot, logos, colors, you can do it in the business branding section. So this is the Marky and it is marked as the tool of the year by Appsumo for 2024. So if you want to get its lifetime deal, this is the last time, because after the 4 days this deal is going to be disappear from the Appsumo dashboard. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. This is the quick video and the review of the platform. I hope you liked it. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.